Hi, I'm Daniel Havey, and I'm going to do a demo here with two experiments in it. What we're going to do is we're going to compare the latency of LEDBaT versus non-LEDBaT traffic. So, at about 10 seconds into each experiment, I'm going to start up a traffic generator. And the first thing we're going to see is that the latency climbs to a completely unreasonable 5,000 milliseconds. And the user is very frustrated. Now let's go over to the LEDBaT side of things. About 10 seconds into the experiment, I started up the traffic generator, and we see the latency climbs, but it only climbs to a completely reasonable 100 milliseconds. Hey, this is nice. The user's very happy. Okay, that was cool, but let's get into the live action part of this demo. So I am going to bring up my Azure VM, the Windows 2019 server, and I'm going to start a traffic generator. Now I'm going to use my Windows 10 desktop to bring up two PowerShell windows. In the yellow window on the right, we can see I'm running a ping, which is giving me an RTT sample, and it's running about 8 to 10 milliseconds. Nice and smooth. Okay, in my blue window on the left, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start some non-LEDBaT traffic. And I want you to keep an eye on this latency over here and see what happens. Okay, there goes the traffic. Ooh, boy. And there goes the, wow, ping timed out. That means that the latency is so high that ping cannot even measure it. Boy, I would hate to be the user chewing on his laptop in this kind of latency. All right, so let me show you what this does to applications. I'm going to bring my VM back over here, and let's go ahead and grab this PowerShell window with the traffic generator and move it. Oh, wait, no, I can't. That's because I have thousands of milliseconds of latency in between me and that VM. Let's see. Okay, well, I can't click on the recycle bin. I can't move the window. I can't do anything. I'm completely broken. This is completely unusable. Let's go ahead and move that VM out, and I'm going to move in a web browser. So I'm going to take this web browser, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to msnbc.com. Okay, here we go. Start your stopwatch now. Wow. Oh boy. It looks like I'm not going to be able to browse the web in peace today. Jeez. Boy. Oh, there it goes. Sort of. Mom, I think the internet is slow today. This is never going to work. The web page is simply going to time out because we have thousands and thousands of milliseconds of latency caused by this non-LEDBaT traffic. So let me go ahead and stop the traffic. Now we can see the web page appears immediately. Other web pages come up instantly, just like they're supposed to. Let's do the same one. Okay, everything's working. Everything's great. All right, so let's go ahead and do exactly the same thing, except this time we'll use LEDBaT. Now keep an eye on that latency. I'm going to go ahead and restart this ping because it's acting up a little bit. All right, so we're running about 9-10 milliseconds, and let's fire up the LEDBaT. Okay, there we go. And we can see that the traffic, or the latency, is indeed increasing, but not very much. We're staying around 100 milliseconds, a little less. So let's go ahead and bring the VM in. And I'm going to grab my PowerShell window, and I'm going to move it over here. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Working great. Now I'm going to grab my Notepad window. I can move it around, and I want to go ahead and type something. The quick brown fox jumped over. Well, we all know how that goes. Anyways, the point is the VM is working perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and try that web browser. Let's browse on over to msn.com. And there we go. Look at that. That, my friends, is the difference between LEDBaT and non-LEDBaT. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.